In today's video, we get basketballs rolling across the street, hot rods coming in, and we're ready to roll. Stay tuned for today. We're taking a ride with a lot of killer cars. We're heading to Columbus for the Goodguys Nationals, and we got the crew rolling in from Arkansas, Oklahoma, Ohio, Nashville. Stay tuned, it's gonna be awesome.
All right, here we are. We're going to go to Columbus, but I think they're going to play not horse.
Well, no, we were going to play pig, but we got to switch it to horse because they were all getting beat.
No, we're going to play roadster.
You guys do this.
We're going to play coot.
So a step back. Okay.
Kevin's showing his moves.
Oh.
You got to feel it.
All right. Make anything. It's a competitive race. Here comes Al in the roadster.
Here comes Al.
We had to have a few get a gas stop here, so Gil's filling up and Adam's filling up. Everybody else looks like we're good on gas. So rolling with us today, we got Scott Miller and his Deuce Roadster. We got Chris, CF Designs, and his coupe. We got Jerry and his Roadster. We got Al and his Roadster. And then let's go check out Gil's F100. You may have seen this one in some of our posts as well. So we got Gil's F100, and then we have Adam in his Deuce Roadster, or not Deuce Roadster, but his Deuce Coupe. How much you think it's going to cost to fill it up?
Good morning, Pump 3 from West End.
Thank you. Pump's talking to me over here.
Yeah.
Probably about 50 bucks.
50 bucks.
Yeah, we're running that.
You running the premium? Or is that diesel? You're putting diesel in it? The cheap stuff.
We run that cheap stuff from Arkansas.
It's just the cheap stuff for you. You're going to burn it anyways, right?
Yeah, we're going to burn it pretty quickly.
Nice.
Going on the road. Hopefully Scotty can keep up with us today.
Well, I think Jerry needs to keep up with us.
Well, you know, that's why we've got a chase car.
Yeah. So we're in the 454 because we think we have it sold up in Columbus. So we got it all slick and all that stuff, but we'll see if this one sells this weekend, and we'll be maybe looking for something else. Let's check out these guys. So we'll give you a quick glimpse of Al's Roadster here. Looking good. So the goal today is to drive up back roads, and then we'll hit a little bit of highway, but just drive a nice leisurely drive through some countryside, and we're gonna go through some small towns. Maybe we'll show you some of that, and then we're gonna register the cars up in Columbus and check out headquarters tonight. So it's gonna be a busy day. Today's Thursday. The show actually starts Friday, and we'll bring you content Friday, really all weekend, and Saturday is supposed to be beautiful. We may hit a little rain tomorrow, but it's gonna be a great weekend in Columbus. So back on the road. Just some beautiful country roads. We're driving today on the way to Columbus. Beautiful blue sky, and we got 7 hot rods with us and great people, so can't beat it. Another amazing trip. And next on the agenda after this is Bonneville. So Bonneville is coming up here very quickly for Gil, so Speed and Design and I, and we're doing the trip all the way to Bonneville in his F100, so stay tuned for that coverage. But we'll just give you just country roads, farmland here in Ohio, heading toward Columbus. Well, we made it to London, right? Where are we at?
London, Ohio, headed to Columbus. Nice day. Thank goodness.
And what restaurant?
Looks like Troy's Bar and Grill.
Is it Troy's or Tony's?
Oh, it's Tony's.
Tony's.
Arkansas people can't
So we'll
read.
give a plug to Tony's Bar and Grill in London, Ohio. So Tony's Bar and Grill, we're heading in. We're gonna see how Tony takes care of us today. Servers wanted, so Tony is hiring here as well. If you wanna apply here at Tony's Bar and Grill in London, Ohio, this is Tony. He's gonna take care of you.
Coming. One take care of it.
Well, we made it to Columbus. It is, again, a beautiful day here. Maybe a little cloud in the sky, but no problems coming. And everyone is registering, so cars are rolling in, and we're going to get all these cars registered and then head back to the hotel. So we'll give you a quick glimpse of some of the cars that are in the parking lot and just give you a quick walk around. This is one of our favorite little roadsters here. So, and he drives it everywhere, right? So, killer car. This one's a steel car built by Chad Adams, and great car here. Well, we gotta walk out to the show dogs. The show dogs are all waxing and buffing and polishing here. Did you find a car wash?
Get the mud off. Yeah, he got the mud off.
You got yours all detailed?
Yeah, I'm doing it. I'm being forced to wipe it down.
800 miles worth of road grind. Teaching him right. Take care of his junk.
His junk. Look at him, he's still wiping on it.
I've only done one side of it. Oh, it already looks so good.
You got yours all wiped off?
I got it cleaned up a little bit.
You have some of that stuff. How does this stuff work?
Where's Jerry's? Jerry's already wiped off.
It is.
Yeah,
It's done.
he's got his done. Oh yeah!
Columbus, baby.
There he is!
Wait on you.
So we're getting ready to cruise around Columbus. Thursday night, we're heading to the Hilton, the second host hotel, and then we're going to roll to the host hotel, the Crown Plaza, which is always the best place to be on an evening here in Columbus. And then we'll show you Chris rolling up as well. So we're just down to 4 cars cruising tonight. So Chris and Jerry's in his car. I'm riding with Gil again. We brought the SS truck and hopefully it is sold, so I'm gonna be hitching a ride all weekend. So, oh yeah, it's a good picture.
Yeah, but look who got into it again. As soon as I shot it. Kevin seems to get in all my pictures. Every time I try to take a picture, there's Kevin.
I always think that he wants me in his photos, so maybe he's just slow on the reaction of taking his photo, and he secretly wants me in his photos. But get used to it. Pulling into the main headquarters, the Crown Plaza, and it is packed already, so we'll give you a glimpse pulling into Crown Plaza.